Flexi cap category mutual funds in India nowadays getting more and more popular. In the flexi cap category mutual fund manager can invest across the market capitalization, including large cap, mid cap, and small cap without any capping. That's the reason nowadays more and more people they want to invest into flexi cap category mutual fund. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss about one flexi cap category mutual fund, which is Kotak Flexi Cap Fund, which was started in 2009. It's been 15 years now. Over the last 15 years, the fund has created huge wealth for many investors. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss more about this fund. Friends, you can stay till the end because you'll be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. Kotak Flexi Cap Fund, which was started in 2009. If you look at the AUM, asset under management, which is 47,000 crores. If you look at the expense ratio, which is 1.40%. If you look at the NAV, net asset value, which is 88. If you look at the asset allocation, 95% of allocation into equity market, 5% of allocation into debt market. Within equity, 70% of allocation into large cap, 20% of allocation into mid cap, 5% of allocation into small cap. Fund has got good diversification across the market capitalization. If you look at the top 5 sectors, 23% of allocation into banks, 10% of allocation into IT and software, 8% of allocation into chemical, 7% of allocation into cement, 6% of allocation into defense. If you look at the top 10 stocks, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Bharat Electronics Limited, Ultratech Cement, L&T Larsen and Turbo, Infosys, State Bank of India, SRF Limited, Axis Bank and Jindal Steel. If you look at the fund manager, Harsha Upadhyay is the fund manager. He has got 15 years of experience in the industry. If you look at the return, since inception, the fund has generated 16% of return, which is very good. 15,000 rupees SIP in the scheme since inception. Now your investment value will become 27 lakh, market value will become 1 crore rupees. This is how this fund has created huge wealth for many investors. Friends, if you're too much worried about the short-term market volatility, then investing into the flexi cap category mutual fund is one of the best option. When you invest into the flexi cap category mutual fund, here higher allocation will be done into the large cap category stocks. Large cap category stocks, they are the market leader. They will be having well established business. If you compare with a small cap and mid cap, large caps are less volatile in the nature. That's the reason they can generate a consistent return. They can give stability to our portfolio. Friends, if you look at the current market outlook and Nifty technical levels, Nifty has taken a strong support at 22,000 level, and right now Nifty, which is trading around 24,000 level, already Nifty has covered 2,000 points. Friends, 5 factors which are driving the Indian market. The first one is pause of Donald Trump tax tariff. Few days back, Donald Trump said that he is going to pause the tax tariff for next 90 days, which has created a lot of positive impact in the market. Second one is strong domestic factors. Nowadays, India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world. But from last 6-7 months, there was a hyperinflation in the market, consumption was getting slowed down. But recent data suggests that now inflation in India, which is getting under control, consumption in India, which is slowly picking up, even this point also, which has created good impact in the market. Third one is FIS buying. Foreign portfolio investors, once again, they are aggressively investing into the Indian equity market. That's why market in a positive mode. Fourth one is good monsoon is expected. Friends, it can be any country. Monsoon, which will play very important role, because when there is a normal monsoon, we will be having grains and groceries. If there is a shortage of monsoon, obviously there is a shortage of grains and groceries. When there is a shortage of grains and groceries, obviously inflation will increase. That's the reason monsoon, which will play very important role in the economy. Fifth point is banking stocks. Friends, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI, these stocks, they are having good weightage in the index. When these stocks do well, obviously there is a growth in the index. From last 4-5 days, these stocks, they have gained around 2-3%, which has impacted in the Nifty and Sensex index. Friends, in this video we have discussed about Kotak Flexi Cap Fund. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please do subscribe, please share it with the community. Thank you so much.